We're on our way to Ikea now, so I'm going to take you along to Ikea with us. So see you soon.
Daddy.
Okay, so I've just come upstairs and I'm faced with these FEJKA plants. These are £7 for the trailing ones. And then just over here, I've spotted these ones here. Same name, these ones are actually £12. Same name. Then over here, got a whole range of faux plants and these baskets as well to match. Yep, then we got these vases. That's the name there, and those are £8. I also like these cushion covers. So there's one over there just displayed there. These are £3.50, and that's the name of them there. And just here they've got a selection of biscuits, free for £3.50. So you've got the almond fins, the cappuccino fins, and the orange fins. We also love this art setup that they got here. Our smart solutions for under £600. So inside you've got like a little den, absolutely stunning, black and white, monochrome and neutral colours as well. Just love the way they've done this. I love this trolley actually. It's £15. I just like the way how they've used the jars to put the paintbrushes in. They're really nice. I think these might be new for Ikea. I haven't seen these before. They look like they're just ornaments, but cat-kai kind of style. So you get the set for £15. Okay, so I've just come into this area here. They've got these antique cameras in the cabinet here. So you got these, or vintage cameras I should say. So you've got a Minolta. Minolta was one of my first cameras, you know. A Helia, another Minolta there. And these tins as well. And then I'm just going to sit here on the ring light. Easy for me. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm in Ikea. And they've got a ring light set up. So the lighting here is absolutely amazing. So this is the first time that I've been to Ikea since, you know, the shop's reopened and everything. And the experience has been good so far. I'm going to go to the restaurant and get something to eat, and then I'll see you in a second. I'm going to take you around, show you what's new in Ikea, and yeah, show you what's new in Ikea, so stay tuned. Okay, so this bed is new, upholstered bed frame for £250. pot stands, cork pot stands. I think these are quite classic. £2 for a pack of 3. I've got these bowls. These are £2 for the bowl, £2.50 for the plate. And then you also have the side plates, which are £1 as well for the side plate. Absolutely like how they've put this together. The vase is £3 and the plant is £5. Just absolutely love how they've done that poster. That's £15. I'm not sure if the frame is £15 with the poster. I think these are quite new for Ikea. Lime, basil and mandarin is £7.
So hello everybody, this is a Motor Time video. Got this cool Motor Time car. When the camera records.
It's okay, it's alright.
You got this cool Motor car and this cool Motor Time.
Where is another one? Where is another one?
In the car.
Okay. Alright then.
Thank you, Ikea.
So.
Okay, so I spent most of the day out here in Greenwich and Charlton area. Just finished off in Ikea. Got a few things I'm going to add to a haul and show you guys a little bit later, so stay tuned for that. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe, keep well, and I shall see you very soon. Take care. Bye.